Beneath the great big tree, Owl opened a book, and Acorn snuggled in to listen.
The Dog and His Reflection. A happy dog trotted along with the biggest, juiciest bone he had ever found. So proud, he could hardly contain himself. On his way home, he crossed a little wooden bridge over a calm, clear stream. Halfway across, he glanced down into the water and saw another dog staring back up at him, holding a bone that looked even bigger than his own. "I want that bone too," he thought, without stopping to think it through. He opened his mouth to bark at the other dog, and his own bone tumbled right out of his mouth and into the stream with a splash. The dog looked down at the empty water. There was no other dog at all. It had only ever been his own reflection. And now, his wonderful bone was gone. "I already had a wonderful bone," he sighed. "I didn't need another one at all." Just then, a friendly otter popped up from the water. "I saw the whole thing. Let me help you find it." The otter dove down and, moments later, popped back up with the bone held carefully in her paws. "Here you go." Grateful, the dog shared his bone with his new friend, and from then on, the two of them met at the bridge often. No reflections needed, just good company and happy afternoons. The end. And so Owl closed the book, and Acorn smiled, already dreaming of the next story. See you next time, little listener.